To be very, very honest with you, I started my preparation speed apps. I really regret not watching full videos in speed apps. Quickly, I opened high yield series in speed app.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Chilla Anusha for scoring rank number 37 in DM Anaesthesia group in NEET SS 2025 session. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So in critical care medicine, you have taken 2 groups, is it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Critical care medicine, I mean, you have scored 546 as well.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great accomplishment. Great accomplishment.
Thank you, sir.
At the very outset, I need to thank you for sparing your time to share valuable experiences with us and also with the students.
So the pleasure is all mine, sir. Thank you so much for having me here.
Great. So can you let us know where you started, what all you did till date? Can you share a brief history about it?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I've done my MBBS from Government Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh itself. And I've completed my MD Anesthesiology from Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences, Mandya, Karnataka. I've passed out in May, sir. And then I've joined as a registrar in a nearby private hospital in my hometown itself in cardiac anesthesia department. And then I got SRship in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalgiri, sir. But again, I worked there for around 3 months, I guess. And then I got SRship in college nearby to my hometown, sir. Homi Baba Cancer Hospital and Research Center, which is the peripheral center for Tata, Mumbai. Right now, I'm working as a senior resident there, sir.
Very nice. Excellent. Doctor, what is your interest, super specialty interest in anesthesia?
Cardiac, sir.
So you're working, that's where you're working on right now.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Doctor, once you decided to do a super specialty after anesthesia,
Yes, sir.
what all you did, what was your strategy to achieve what you are today?
Sir, actually, I didn't know where to start, to be very, very honest, sir, which books to study or which platform to study. To be very, very honest with you, I started my preparation by watching your videos in YouTube, to be very honest, to get that motivation or inspiration, whatever. I watched mostly all the interviews from anesthesia in the past 2 years. I watched every video of you, sir. Then I felt, okay, I think I should take up speed. I think I've taken up speed in last September or so, sir. But I didn't use speed to the fullest, I should say, because speed, it has so many things to decode what are all there in speed. Only took me around 2 to 3 days because there is so much content in speed. I think we have high yield series, we have like general anesthesia, we have anesthesia live, another videos which are very high yield. So I thought grant tests are there for critical care, so many grant tests are there, NEET SS also, so many grant tests are there. I didn't prepare properly, sir. Actually, I've given my NESS also, sir, in November. I qualified, but I couldn't do it because I got a rank of 58 or something in cardiac anesthesia itself. Uh, Managing my senior residency and studies, I couldn't do so much well, sir. Beach mein I used to do I used to study only PPTs, sir, from anesthesia live from Shruti ma'am. PPTs are so good. I mean, even if I don't see the video also, with the PPT only I could get all the gist of the topics, sir. And then I took just before the exam, like 3 to 4 days, I took leave, sir. Then I properly sat. I didn't watch any videos. But first thing I've done is like I've given one grant test, sir, to see where did I stand or like what are all the topics I'm missing through. In the GT, I scored a rank of 3 actually. Then
Wow.
I'm like, okay, I could, okay. Then if I do in these 3 to 4 days also, I could do okay, karke, I thought. I've done cardiac little and general little for NESS, sir. So all those 3 days I used to give more and more GTs only. I used to watch your videos in YouTube, which you used to release every now and then before exams. I used to watch that. You used to tell give as many as GTs as possible. I've given so to be. I didn't review GTs also. Those many GTs I've given. So there are many. I think 20 GTs are there. I guess in NEET SS in anesthesia. I think I've given around 10, 11 GTs in all the 3 days. I've given all the GTs, and score was also pretty good only. And what I've observed in exam also is like the GT which is in speed app, it is like similar to the exam standard itself, sir. Like how they are giving, and we have like some real time GTs also in the app, like how they have changed the pattern, like 50-50 questions for 50-50-50 minutes. That GT also I've given just to see whether I can really do all the 150 questions in that 150 minutes time, like but which is like real scenario in the exam also. That also helped me. But I really regret not watching full videos in speed app, sir. Last moment also, before just before going to the exam on 27th, I don't know what to revise also, sir. Quickly I opened high yield series in speed app, and I just have seen the PPT from high yield series by Shruti ma'am. It has covered almost everything which is needed for last minute revision. That is only my revision on the day of exam also, sir. That's how actually speed helped me. I mean, I regret doing not doing full of the speed, but that's how I can. That's all I can do for
Very,
my exam.
very detailed. Great and wonderful to share. Very nice. No? And also, we want to know how many questions did you attend this exam?
Sir, actually, I attended 145 questions, sir. Those 5 questions, I tried actually to attend that also, because this also you used to tell ki attend as many as questions as possible, if at all 150 questions. I tried, but I those 5 questions I was like definitely I'll get wrong. I know that. That's why I attended only 145 questions in the exam, sir.
Very nice, doctor. Can you share something on the paper? I mean, how the paper was? Was it of
Uh,
general
Sir, actually, paper is not very difficult. Also, I can I for me especially I didn't find it moderate. Also, sir, it is like between easy and moderate only. There were questions which are directly asked, sir. Like no need to think so much an answer directly from Miller's only. They've asked many questions. There are many little problem solving questions also, like very little only. Paper was quite easy to moderate only, sir. In ESS, when I wrote in November, no, sir, that paper was damn easy paper. Damn easy paper, sir. That paper was. I think that's why many people have been qualified in our cardiac also. This paper is easy to moderate only, sir. But many people told me it is in little like tougher than last year's, but I found it like easy to moderate only.
So how it was? It was more of a general anesthesia of exit standard or of a super specialty standard paper?
Super specialty standard, very little questions, sir. More of a general exit standard only, sir.
Great. Now, what will be a message for the future aspirants of DM anesthesia group?
Sir, what I want to say, everyone is like, don't just think that I only 10 days are there or 15 days are there. How can I do exam also? Even if you have studied your for your MD properly in your post graduation, even if you sit for 5 days or 10 days also, you can do it. That's what I found, sir. It's not that you have to start your preparation for super speciality from your PG first year or final exam along with your theory. You have to study for super speciality. I don't think it's not like that. You concentrate on your post graduation, your OT or IC or whatever during your MD exam, MD itself. And even if you have so less time also, if you're so much passionate about super speciality, go for it. Definitely, if I can do it, if I have done it, you also can do it. That's what I want to say.
Excellent. Doctor, the time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they have stood by you from day one till date to help you. You can use this platform to do so.
Firstly, I want to thank my parents, sir. Uh, to share with you, I lost my appa in my post graduation itself. It's been 2 years. Uh, I thank him first. He's been blessing me. In even in my MD also, I topped in my MD also in my institute. He's the one who is guiding me, I guess, and my amma and my sister also. They've been. I mean. I've seen many people like uh, why you will study, you just marry, no, you do this, no, till now you're studying, no, karke. But my amma and my family is not like that. They have been really help pushing me so much, like it's okay, you do, karke. And also my teachers and my professors from my MD college, they are the sweetest, sir. They have been taking care of me. They've taken care of me all the 3 years. They have been my pillars for my anesthesia, actually, because I've learned the basics of anesthesia from there. And also speed, sir. Speed is like, I mean, speed. They've really helped me. First thing is like I have because of the GT boosted my confidence, sir. After giving the GT only, then I have really okay. I will do it. I can do it. Karke. Thank you to Speed also and my friends also who have been there with me in my lowest phases and who have been supporting me and encouraging me all through. And thanks to you, sir. Actually, I want to tell you this thing. I've been waiting to tell you this thing because you are the one who motivated me to do super specialty. Because I have been watching your videos like even if I don't study also, sir, in initial days in September or October, whatever last year, I used to simply come to room. I used to put like YouTube में आपका video होता है ना sir. I used to start that video and used to listen like podcast. I used to listen all the success stories in YouTube, and then I'm like yes, okay, this is the thing they have done. This is, and every time your videos when you will be releasing, no sir, like I've seen all of the videos in YouTube of you. I've seen, sir, like 10 days before exam, 15 days before exam, on the day of exam, one day before exam. You have motivated many people, actually. Because of you, I to be very honest, sir, I took seriously super specialty, sir, be it NESS or be it NEET SS. You used to tell, no sir, like NESS mein many people don't give NESS, and that should be your first exam. That is like definitely true, sir. I used to tell my juniors also who have been passed out, you try NESS, it is good, like karke. And thank you so much for inspiring me and many people out there, sir. And it's been an honor for me to be sitting next to you and talking to you. I'm really thankful to Speed uh, for everything, actually.
Great, doctor. Great to hear. Nice to hear. And thank you very much for sharing your experiences, valuable experiences. And we once again wish you all the very best and all the success and a
Thank you,
great journey in super
thank you, sir.
in cardiac anesthesia. And with your dedication and hard work and perseverance, you will touch many lives and save many lives. Best wishes to you. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you, sir.